If you're over 60 and you're eating fruit at the wrong time, you're missing the repair window. Here's exactly when to eat them. You wake up at 3 a.m. and you can't remember the name of that actor. You know the one. He was in that movie with The Thing. You lie there for 45 minutes. It comes to you at breakfast. His name is Tom Hanks. You've known Tom Hanks your entire life. Sound familiar? Here's what nobody tells you. That frustrating brain fog, that slow recall, that feeling like your memory is running on dial-up internet. It's not just getting older. According to researchers at Harvard Medical School, a significant portion of age-related memory decline is directly linked to oxidative stress and inflammation in the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. And here's the beautiful part. Certain fruits eaten consistently can actually reverse this damage while you sleep. Yes, while you sleep. Your brain does its biggest repair work at night, and what you put into your body during the day determines whether that repair crew shows up with the right tools or just stands around doing nothing. Let's talk about the 3 fruits. Number 1, blueberries. Harvard's long-running nurses' health study found that women who ate 2 or more servings of blueberries per week delayed cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. 2.5 years. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and literally clean up the oxidative damage that slows your recall. They also boost BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, essentially fertilizer for your brain cells. Eat a handful before dinner. Let your brain go to work overnight. Number 2, pomegranate. Pomegranate might be the most underrated brain fruit on the planet. A study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine showed that older adults who drank pomegranate juice daily for a month showed significant improvements in verbal and visual memory tasks compared to a placebo group. Pomegranate is loaded with punicalagins, which reduce inflammation in the brain's memory circuits. Think of it as WD-40 for rusty neural pathways. Creaky connections start moving again. Number 3, tart cherries. This one is the nighttime's secret weapon. Tart cherries are one of the only natural food sources of melatonin, and not just any melatonin. They also contain quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which together reduce the inflammatory markers most associated with dementia risk. A study from the University of Pennsylvania found that tart cherry juice improved both sleep quality and memory consolidation in older adults. Because here's the thing, memory isn't just about what happens when you're awake. It's about what happens in deep sleep, when your brain transfers information from short-term to long-term storage. Tart cherries help you sleep deeper, and deeper sleep means better memory. Full stop. Now here's where I get real with you for a second. Most of us are not eating pomegranates on a Tuesday afternoon. We just aren't. And getting consistent therapeutic amounts of blueberry and tart cherry anthocyanins from diet alone, genuinely difficult. That's why I want to tell you about something that's been getting a lot of attention among people over 60 who are serious about protecting their memory, and that's a high-quality anthocyanin and tart cherry extract supplement. Specifically, I recommend checking out tart cherry extract with blueberry and antioxidant complex. It's available on Amazon. Link is in the description below. It's not magic. It's concentrated, bioavailable versions of exactly what the Harvard research points to. No blending, no juicing, no staining your white shirts with pomegranate. Just the compounds your hippocampus is literally asking for every single night. Think of it as sending your brain's repair crew in with a full toolbox, instead of a half-eaten granola bar and good intentions. Your memory is not gone. It's not broken. It's just been under-resourced. Give it blueberries. Give it pomegranate. Give it tart cherries. Or let the supplement do the heavy lifting. Tom Hanks will be waiting for you at breakfast, but this time, you'll remember him before you even sit down. The link is in the description. Your brain will thank you tomorrow morning. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.